how to search engine optimize your YouTube videos. In this video session, I'm going to share with you proven insights for you to consider before you upload your videos to your YouTube channel. As far as Google is concerned, a lot of things work on keyword level, so to speak. That means when you create videos, what you want is you want to start looking at Google search box or YouTube search box to ask yourself, okay, what are people searching? Then you create content accordingly. This is important, particularly when you're starting out on YouTube. So, I'm actually going to show you the steps that I follow. Let's imagine you've created a video file, whether you use Camtasia Studio or whether you use your smartphone. The video file, the name of it, is important. Why? Because Google technologies are limited in terms of what they can analyze. And when we name our file name, and when Google analyzes the video content, it can better understand the video content as well. That means use your important keywords that you have identified by using Google search box or YouTube search box, okay? Then what you can do is you can right click, press on Details tab. Here provide title, video description, as in what is within the video content. Because these details you will use when you upload your YouTube videos. You can provide tags and then the year information, particularly useful if you're uploading videos with date range keywords. Publisher obviously is your brand name or your personal name. Here we have author details. If you're managing your own website, you want to provide your website details here. Promotion URL is the channel URL. All you need to do is copy your channel URL and place it in that box. And then obviously press apply, and then when you right click, you can now see all the information you've inserted into the video file name. That's before you upload them. When you're uploading them, the title is very important because that is shown in YouTube search results or in Google search results. The video description is absolutely important, and YouTube has guidelines here. Basically, you never want to spam the video description. Simply describe the video content in a short manner. Also, it's okay to add link to your social media profiles or even your own website if you do manage one. But what most people fail to understand is sometimes people read the description of the video, and depending on the industry that you're creating videos for, at times it may be helpful to add link to complementary content. Let's imagine someone who has never used Windows Copilot, but they want to know more about it. So now I can provide a link for the viewer to click and learn more about this. And since Google follows links, this only complements the video. Next, the thumbnail. You could use Microsoft Windows Paint program to create your own original thumbnail image. Most people follow the shortcut by using freely available online tools. You don't want to do that, especially in 2024, because Google is looking for original content. if you end up using tools freely available, then thousands of other people are using the same tool and perhaps have the same image. You don't want to do that. As I've said, you can use Microsoft Paint. Perhaps 5-10 minutes you can learn how to create thumbnails. If you do have access to programs such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, then you want to create your own thumbnail images. When you do, simply describe, here, by just reading this, you can see what the video content is about. Surely you can have your brand images, you can have related images, as long as the video thumbnail is unique. I'll just show you how to place an image. Okay, now I'll show you a trick here. Let's imagine you're using Adobe Illustrator, and let's do something like this. These are rank your trade secrets. So here I can highlight the text using the attributes for Adobe Illustrator. I can provide a URL and say this. You can use this method for PDFs as well. Image size, you want to make it reasonable so it looks great on YouTube search, whether someone's searching using their desktop, laptop, or mobile device. I tend to use width 1280 pixels, height 720. Let's press apply. Let's save the file. When you name your image file for your video thumbnail, perhaps you want to include some keywords when it's appropriate to do so. So let's continue search engine optimizing our YouTube videos. Remember, this is before we upload the video. Then what we can do, upload the thumbnail, select the playlist. It's intelligent for us to create sections on our homepage as well, so keep that in mind. Then we have new settings for, is the video made for kids? Well, that will depend on your YouTube channel and the video content, okay? Rank your videos are not specifically made for kids, so I select that. We have options for show more, show less. Let's press on it to show more. The video that I'm uploading does not contain paid promotion. If it did, I had to check that. So simply read through. Automatic chapters, you can leave that in place. If you're shooting videos that's related to a specific country and you're shooting video content for places, then perhaps you want to allow automatic places or allow automatic concepts. These are the latest features of YouTube. Basically, their algorithms, create chapters, concepts, so that the video engagement is more useful for the viewer. The tags are very important. You want to tag the video. These are the keywords that is related to your video. Where do you find them? You find them when you target the keywords. Then video language, obviously important. Update recording date. Video location is critical if your videos are related to specific location. Let's imagine Australia. We can select the entire country, or let's imagine we say United Kingdom, and as we can see, that option is available for you, okay? Since I do not have any place information, I select video location, none. License type, all Rankia videos have standard YouTube license. Allow embedding is very important if you're managing your own website and embedding your YouTube videos. If you do not, then you can search Google for Google free sites and easily use the templates and create a new site That's free. When you do that, you can embed your YouTube videos on an external site. How is that important? That's important because Google follows links. But whenever you're embedding YouTube videos, then you want to perhaps provide complementary content on the website that you manage. So we do not spam YouTube video linking. You can select publish to subscribers, that is notify your subscribers. If you're bulk uploading, you want to perhaps select that option for one video only. Here we have shorts remixing. That's the new feature. I tend to not let that happen, but that's totally up to you for your videos, okay? Category is very important. Let's imagine you're providing gaming videos, then you select the category appropriately. I tend to create how-to tutorials, so I select how-to and style. Comments and rating is very important for YouTube channels and YouTube videos, because there's a lot of people who want to spam YouTube comments. And what you want is you want to moderate all your comments, so the spam is not on the video comment section. Also, commenting is very important because it allows you to engage with your viewers. That means anytime someone comments on your videos, you want to go in there and interact with that person. Let's select next. Monetization, yes, rank your videos are monetized, so I select that. This is very important. As an ad suitability, you need to read through this. For my videos, I can select none of the above. But once again, this is absolutely important to get it right. I've submitted the rating. That's done now. Let's press next. End screens are very important as you're growing your YouTube channel. You can let Google decide what to show, or perhaps have a subscribe link as well. You can adjust the time these end screens are shown. Okay, so import from video, we can do that, or we can just use the automated options and tweak them according to your channel. Add cards. Now, this is very important for us to utilize. That's why YouTube has them. We can provide a link to a video that's related, perhaps complementary, or we can even link out to our own website. Let's imagine the video was related to search engine optimization or website optimization, and I have some courses here. I could say, you know what, link out to the courses section of my website. I can press apply. Here I can upload a YouTube card image. I can provide call to action, latest courses, must know SEO methods as an example. Then I can now adjust the time the card is shown. Okay, so you need to tweak this around. There is other options here, perhaps you want to explore them, so I won't cover them, but let's just link to rank your website. Press next. Everything looks okay. I can always go back and edit the details. You can select unlisted, members only, public, private. Obviously we want to select public as best that we can so that Google can show it and YouTube search can show it. So let me triple check everything. Everything looks okay. Let's publish. Now, this is how you search engine optimize your YouTube videos before you upload them. Let's imagine we end up going to YouTube search. I'll do that to show you what just happened. So that was the title. Let's search YouTube and look what happened. Instant rankings. That's the power of learning with Rankia. That is how you search engine optimize your YouTube videos. And when you do this, for each video that you're uploading, I promise you, your YouTube channel will grow. I thank you for learning with Rankia. If you benefited from this video session, please do give it a like and share it. And I'll talk with you in the next video session.